Hey everybody, welcome to the drone footage of the 2022 Rendezvous. A bunch of channels came from a long ways away and we appreciate it. We hope everybody had a blast. We think it was a great success. At the end of the video, I have all the channels in attendance. At the end, please go check them out. What a great community of people. And we got plenty of videos to come with a lot of giveaways from leftover stuff, so make sure you stay tuned.